Hi, I'm Shelly here at Hairlocs, and I have Diana here, and we're going to be doing a 6-week adjustment on her. So let's get started. So when you're doing an adjustment, all you're going to do is take strand by strand. You're going to open up the cylinder. As you're moving it up, you're going to want to remove any natural shed that just happens and gets a little stuck in the cylinder. Then you're going to just pop that extension right back in and recrimp it down. And then you're going to continue that all throughout the head. Hey guys, we just finished Diana's 6-week adjustment, and she will be back in about the same time, 6 weeks, for her refusion. Everything grew out perfectly, so that's why it was such an easy adjustment, and it also is a lot easier to take care of this hair because of the quality of it. So it's a lot easier for her to come in and get it adjusted and everything stays in place. Right, Diana?
Yep.
Beautiful.